Hello students, welcome to NX tutorial. So first of all, we will see how to open NX. So for opening NX, you have to search here in Windows search bar as NX. Then you have to click on open. Then NX will open. Okay, in this way you can open NX. So after opening NX, this is welcome page. Okay, and this is interface of NX. So here you can see three tabs: file, home and tools. So in file there are multiple options like new, open, close, preference and many more. Okay, in home you will get some similar options, new, open, then some other options are there: open recent part, assembly load options, customer defaults, touch mode, and windows and help. Okay, then there is a tool tab also. So for creating new file, you have to select here new, or you can click in file on new. Okay, after clicking on new, here one window will appear, that is for new. So for model, you can click on model. From here you can change units, millimeters, inches, or third option is all. Okay, now I'll keep it millimeters. Then here file name you can put. So our file extension will be .prt. So here you have to enter part name, part 1. Then there is a folder selection for saving this file. So from here you can select location. Now I'll set location as desktop and click OK, and I'll click to OK. Now new file will be created. In new file there will be a part navigator. In part navigator there is a coordinate system which we will use to draw sketches or creating model. Now first of all we will see how to enter in sketch application. So in home tab there is a sketch option. So I'll click on sketch option. Then I have to select plane on which I have to draw sketch. I'll select this plane and click on OK. In this way you can enter in sketch application. Now we will see some commands in sketch application. So first of all there are three main commands like curve, edit curve and move curve. So first of all we will see profile and rectangle command. So for profile I'll click on profile, then profile dialog box will appear. In profile you can draw continuous sketch which is combination of line and arc. First of all object type is selected line. Okay, so for drawing line I'll click for first point, then I'll click for second point, then line will be created. Okay, and as it is continuous profile, now second line will also create in continuation to it. So I'll create another line by just clicking for endpoint. Now I'll select arc here. Arc will be tangent to previous line, and I have to select point for uh, uh, ending arc. Okay, arc is created. Now I'll close this profile and click on first point, and for ending our command I'll press escape. Okay, in this way profile can be created. I'll delete this profile. Second command is rectangle. In rectangle there are three methods. First one is by 2 points. Just click for 2 points. First point, second point. This rectangle is created. Now for second method is by 3 points. By 3 points you have to click for 3 points. One first point, second point, and third point. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 points we have selected. Okay, I will select this rectangle, delete it. Then third method is from center. So for center you have to click first point, then second point and third point. Rectangle is created. These are three methods for rectangle. Okay, so we have seen profile and rectangle command. Now we will see next two commands, line and arc. I click on line. So for line you have to select two endpoints. So you have to click at 2 points. So I'll click first and second. So line is created. Now for arc you have to select here 3 points. Okay, in arc there are two methods, arc by 3 points and arc by center and end points. First is arc by 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 points are selected. Now second method is center and end points. So here I have to click first for center, then I'll click for first endpoint and then for second endpoint. Okay. Arc is created. Next command we will see circle. In circle there are two methods. Okay, I'll first delete these entities. And I'll select circle. First method is circle by center and diameter. So first of all I'll click for center, then here I'll select diameter. Second point is for diameter. Then second method is circle by 3 points. So I'll delete this circle. Circle by 3 points. You have to click for 3 points. First, second and third. So this is circle by 3 points. And last command in curve is point. So for point you have to click where you want point. 1, 2, 3. So point is created.